Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2623 is related to the malfunction of the high-pressure fuel pump spill valve. This occurs when the behavior of the high-pressure fuel pump does not align with the injector driver command from the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM detects this inconsistency and stores the DTC as a fault code for further examination. The fuel pump is crucial for delivering high-pressure fuel to the engine for combustion, and the spill valve regulates the fuel pressure for optimal engine performance. A malfunction in the spill valve can lead to performance issues and affect fuel efficiency. It's imperative to thoroughly inspect the components associated with this DTC, including the high-pressure fuel pump, fuel control solenoid, and related circuits. The high-pressure fuel pump is responsible for supplying fuel at the necessary pressure for the fuel injectors to effectively deliver fuel into the engine's combustion chambers. The spill valve, an integral part of this system, helps to maintain an appropriate fuel pressure by allowing excess fuel to return to the tank when not needed. If there is a malfunction in this valve, it means the PCM will detect a mismatch in the fuel pump operation versus its commanded output, thus triggering the DTC P2623. The PCM is typically located in the engine compartment or within the passenger cabin, depending on the specific vehicle design. An accurate diagnosis is essential to prevent potential engine performance issues or reduced fuel efficiency as a result of this malfunction. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P2623 being triggered. Firstly, an issue with the injector relay could be a culprit. This relay is essential for powering the fuel injectors, and any failure here may disrupt the system's operation. Secondly, faults in the external circuits such as the +B INJ, +B IGP, and FI main RLICL can all contribute to this problem by interrupting the signal flow or power supply to the fuel pump. A malfunction in the high-pressure fuel pump itself, including its internal components like the spill valve, can also directly result in this code being stored. Lastly, the PCM, which serves as the brain of the vehicle, can sometimes be the point of failure due to software or internal issues. When DTC P2623 is present, various symptoms may arise, indicating an underlying issue with the fuel system. One of the most noticeable symptoms is engine performance problems, which can manifest as sluggish acceleration or stalling while driving. Poor fuel efficiency can also be an outcome, as the fuel system may not be supplying the appropriate amount of fuel for optimal engine operation. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an issue that requires attention. If these symptoms are observed, timely diagnostics and repair procedures should be undertaken to ensure the vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC P2623, it's critical to check if other related diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are present, such as P0201, P0202, P0204. These codes suggest additional issues with the injection system that may be interconnected with the observed DTC. Next, inspect the injector relay to ensure it is functioning correctly. This relay is essential for powering the fuel injectors, and any malfunction here can result in improper fuel delivery, leading to issues signaled by the PCM. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines to test the relay for continuity and correct operation before proceeding to further inspections. In this step, the focus shifts to inspecting the external circuits related to the high-pressure fuel pump operation. It's crucial to verify the status of the +B INJ and +B IGP circuits, as these provide power to the fuel injectors and high-pressure fuel pump. Disconnect the necessary connectors and perform a continuity test to check for any open circuits or shorts to ground. Ensuring these circuits are operational is essential, as any abnormalities can lead to signal failures that may trigger DTC P2623. If faults are found in these circuits, appropriate repairs need to be made before progressing with further diagnostics. During this step, it's important to inspect the high-pressure fuel pump thoroughly. First, check the electrical connections and wiring to ensure there are no signs of damage or corrosion. Next, perform a fuel control solenoid inspection. This solenoid is vital for controlling fuel pressure within the system. Test the solenoid for continuity to ensure it is functioning correctly. If any issues are identified, appropriate repairs or replacements should be implemented. A malfunctioning solenoid can lead to erratic fuel pressures, which directly contributes to the DTC P2623 being triggered. Accurate diagnosis here is key to rectifying the problem. In the final troubleshooting step, focus shifts towards assessing the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, for any faults. The PCM is responsible for interpreting data from various sensors and controlling the vehicle's engine functions. If previous checks have indicated that all other components are functioning properly, the PCM may be suspect. Evaluate its operation by checking for software updates or any signs of internal malfunction. It might be necessary to use specialized diagnostic tools to access the PCM data. If the PCM is found to be defective, a replacement or reprogramming may be required to resolve the DTC P2623. Once all repairs have been made, it's crucial to verify that the repairs have successfully resolved the issue causing DTC P2623. Begin by clearing all diagnostic trouble codes from the system and then perform a series of test drives. Monitor the vehicle's performance closely to ensure that the symptoms that previously triggered the DTC no longer occur. It's essential to also recheck for any stored codes that might indicate unresolved issues. This verification process is key to confirming that everything is functioning as intended and that the vehicle can operate without further complications. To prevent issues related to DTC P2623 from recurring, adopting a routine preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Ensure regular inspections of the high-pressure fuel pump and its associated components, including the injector relay and circuits. Monitoring the health of the fuel system, such as keeping an eye out for leaks or unusual noises during operation, can help catch problems before they escalate. Additionally, replacing fuel filters at recommended intervals helps maintain optimal fuel flow and component longevity. Following these preventive measures will not only enhance vehicle reliability, but also improve overall performance. In conclusion, understanding the significance of DTC P2623 is crucial for maintaining the health of your Honda Accord. The diagnostic code indicates a malfunction in the high-pressure fuel pump spill valve and associated components, which requires prompt attention. Prioritizing thorough inspections of the affected systems is vital for identifying the root cause of the issue. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps ensures a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving the problem. By conducting repairs and implementing preventive maintenance, drivers can enhance their vehicle's performance and prevent reoccurrence of similar issues in the future. Always refer to manufacturer guidelines and diagnostic resources for the best practices in vehicle maintenance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.